Welcome to Outdoors with the Common Man. Let's go have some fun.
I have my Savage 6.5 Creedmoor.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Outdoors with the Common Man. I'm Coyote. We're here. Coyote, however you want to say it. Well, my wife went ahead and got me a little boat for my birthday. Not too bad. A little 12-foot John boat, 3-bencher. She paid, you won't believe it. Like I said, Common Man doesn't have a lot of money. She got this thing for 75 bucks down at the local scrap yard. And it has no leaks in it. I tested it out. We're good to go. I'm going to show you how to revamp this thing up and then do a redneck 3D camo painting on it so that it's all set for duck season or just tooling around and fishing in it. Alright, so first, down here, here's some handles. Now, they're a little loose. So I'm going to go ahead and take that screw out right there. Take this off so I can sand that down and get that finished. There's one on each side. Same thing's going on over here. Now, as you can tell, I went ahead and made myself a makeshift place to work in because I don't have a garage yet. The wife and I just bought this house that we're working on and getting it all set up and stuff. So, all it is, take one of these little, I don't know what you call it, pavilion things, I guess. Little pop-up pavilion. And took two of the big tarps that I had laying around the property and just got it all enclosed as best as I could to keep a little bit of the wind and stuff out. Work with what you got. So we'll get to sanding this down, taking those things off, and we'll keep going. Alright guys, well, we got the ties off. We got a nice star pattern on them. I'm going to go ahead and sand these guys down so they look all pretty again as best as I can. And that'll be the first part we start sanding. Told you, start. Well, time to get some more sanding done. This 120 grit sandpaper that I bought was just too fine to get this really old paint and everything else off this boat. So, headed out to the store, bought myself some 80 grit. I'm going to sand this thing down, get it all sanded out so that I can paint her up. Let's get to work. Alright guys, we got it all sanded down nice and smooth. Now I went and took an old snow brush, not going to need it anymore. And I went ahead and going to brush it down, then we're going to start priming it with that can of white primer up there. Now we're going to prime up the boat. Make sure to shake your can really well. Get all that stuff mixed up in there. And it's as simple as just spraying on. Remember guys, it's just primer. So it don't gotta be super thick. And as you see, I'm not doing the whole bottom of the boat, because later on, no one sees the bottom of this sumbitch. So it's just a waste of paint. So what I'm gonna do later on is go ahead and get some either black plastic paint or black Flex Seal, or what we refer to as, it's a roofing tar, up here we call it bear shit. And I'm going to go ahead and just bear shit the bottom of this boat up, an extra barrier, and it'll look better with the black on the bottom. So, see you again in a minute. Remember, when you do this kind of paint job, you want to put all your light colors on the bottom and bring all the way out to your darkest color. It'll give it that nice 3D look. You'll see when I get done with it. Alright guys, welcome back. Or I should say I'm back. Well, we're gonna go ahead and try to get some of these details put on this boat. As you can see, I went ahead and blotched it out like I said. Nice little walk around. Tried to keep it as even on the colors as I could, mixing them up just a touch. I got a couple of these different patterns. I went down to my local dollar store because, as you can see in the background, it's spring here in northern New York and there's not a lot of growth yet. But I wanted to get some nice patterns on there, some nice river grassy patterns and some, you know, different little patterns of different leaves and stuff like that. Alright guys, when you do this, I do suggest gloves because, as you can see, it gets paint on your hands. But the reason you wear gloves is so that you can get these nice little effects. Now this is literally just one little thing that I have, and it's already starting to break it up, give us some nice detailed lines like you see right there. Gives you that good starting to break up. Now I've got four more patterns to add to this before I even get to my darkest color of black. It's going to give it a nice break up, and as you can see, I'm going to build up with my stuff in the distance that I want. So like all my little leaflets there, I'm going to end with my grasses on top, so that it has that nice grass look on the front and everything else is kind of in the background. Alright, and that's with two patterns on it. Not bad. Get a little clusterfucked in places. Spread it out. Remember, this is camel. It's going to be different. They're not all the same. I mean, look back right through those trees. Anything there the same? How about there? Anything the same? Everything coherent? Perfect? Even looking down at the grass and the ground. Nothing's perfect. So this doesn't have to be perfect. That's the whole point of camo. They said you want it to look as natural as possible, and in nature, it's chaos. So this will be perfect. Well, this is with all four of my patterns, but with only one color of that. Now I'm going to go in and get my black. And the further you get away, the better it looks for the camo. And then when you get up close, you really start to see those details pop through. Alright, last step for this guy is a clear coat. As you can see, you got details in there. Look at those ones, nice. Big details, small details. Alright guys, as you can see, I went ahead and this is all painted out now. Nice. I went ahead and I bought some of this rubberized roofing. Leak stopper. Bought that at Walmart. It's like $15 a jug. And that's what I put right here in the bottom of the boat. Not too bad, right? Nice little thing to stop me from getting hit too hard. Plus it's another little seal barrier. And I'll be using that on the inside on the rivets before I paint the inside out. It's looking pretty spazzy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Push that like button down below. Leave a comment. If you guys want to see something, let me know. Maybe I can come up with a show, or maybe I can show you how I do it. Thanks Thanks for watching.